my darlings. It's Katrin, welcome to the realm of my imagination and self-expression. It is with great joy that I welcome you here as I immerse myself in the art of temporary tattoos, turning my skin into a canvas for unique and mesmerizing designs. My passion for the art world and the captivating subject of tattoos allows me to bring instant masterpieces to life on my own body. On my own body if the world of temporary tattoos. I invite you to join me on this exciting journey. Subscribe to my channel, Katrintattoo, like and share your thoughts in the comments. You become an integral part of my channel. My channel together we will uncover the stories and magic behind each temporary tattoo by exploring their history. For those looking for the full experience, I invite you to watch all my instructional videos where a treasure trove of exclusive video content awaits you. So to apply a tattoo, follow these instructions. 1. Thoroughly wash the location of the temporary tattoo and wipe dry with a paper towel, preferably remove hair. 2. Mark the approximate location and angle of the sketch. 3. Cut out the desired shape of the sketch with scissors. Remove the clear protective film from the sketch. 4. Place the sketch on the skin with the sticky side facing the skin. 5. Press the sketch firmly against the body with your hand, slightly smoothing over the entire sketch. 6. Using the dispenser, spray a copious amount of water. The sketch should soak in the water well. 7. Then gently blot the moisture with a paper towel or cloth. You can iron by hand, but the moisture must be removed. 8. Carefully remove the top base layer. If there was not enough water, the sketch will come off the skin along with the base layer of paper. 9. After removing the base layer, spray a small amount of water on the sketch, to make sure the sketch does not stick to the skin. 10. Blot with a paper towel or tissue, remove all moisture. 11. Wait 30 minutes for the sketch to dry and firmly adhere to the skin. For a long-lasting tattoo effect, this step is very important. If you still have questions, write in the comments.